Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss about the uniform and non-uniform motion. So what is uniform motion? When an object travels equal distances in equal interval of time, the motion of the object is said to be uniform motion. You can take the example if you are driving your car or your bike. If the speed, if you covers equal distances in equal interval of time, means if you cover, suppose you are covering 50 kilometer in 1 hour, and then next 1 hour you also cover 50 kilometer, and next 3 hours you have next third hour you have covered 50 kilometer, then the motion is said to be uniform motion. Now we can discuss this by plotting a graph between distance covered by the particle, by the object, or the distance, the time taken. So we have taken here the time, this is the time axis, and this is the distance, this is the axis for the distance covered. So we have considered here time 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. So in 1 hour, first 1 hour, a car has, suppose a car has covered 15 kilometers, and in second hour there is difference, the time interval 2 minus 1, that is 1 hour, here 3 minus 2, 1 hour, means the difference in the time is of 1 hour. So in first hour the car has covers 15 kilometers. Distance traveled is in kilometer, we have taken the distance in kilometers. So suppose the car has covers 15 kilometer in first hour, and in second hour the car is at 30 kilometer, and the difference between the time in the distance travel is 30 minus 15, means 15 kilometer here. Again in third hour the particle, the car, you can say the body, you can say at 45, it covers 45 kilometer. So means 45 minus 30, there is a difference of, the difference between this is 15, means it covers 15 kilometer in 1 hour. The difference between this time, the time interval is 1 hour. 2 minus 1, 1, here 3 minus 2, 1, you can take here fourth hour, 4 minus 3, 1, means the time interval is 1 hour, and the distance covered between these 1 hour in time interval 1 hour is 15 kilometer. In each hour the distance covered is 15 kilometer. So this type of motion is called as uniform motion, means equal distance and equal time interval, equal distance covered in equal interval of time. If we have plot the graph, so the graph between the distance traveled and the time interval is a straight line graph in case of uniform motion. This is the graph for uniform motion. So can say the motion is said to be uniform motion if a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Now non-uniform motion. So what is non-uniform motion? You can see here non-uniform. Uniform means same and non-uniform means not same. So when an object, or you can say when an object, or when a body can travels unequal distance, if a body travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, time is same, time interval is same, what the distance traveled will be different in this case. and this type of motion is said to be non-uniform motion. So here we will also discuss this by plotting the graph. So here is, this is a graph. This is a graph between the distance traveled by the particle and particle, you can say distance traveled by a car, or this is the time axis. This axis is called as time axis and this is the distance axis. Means on this axis we have taken the distance traveled by the particle, and on this side we have taken the time, and time is in hours. Time is taken in hours. So now you can see in the graph here, suppose here we will consider that a car in first hour, in first hour the car is at 30 kilometer. Means in first hour the car covers, this is the reason, the car covers 30 kilometer. The car covers 30 kilometer in 1 hour, and in second hour the car covers 20 kilometers. And you can see here in the third hour the car covers 40 kilometers, 40 maybe 50 kilometers. The car covers 50 kilometers. You can see here this graph is not a straight line. So we can say in uniform motion, the graph between distance and time axis is a straight line, but in case of non-uniform motion, this is the graph for non-uniform motion. Means in non-uniform motion the body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. Time interval is equal. There is, you can see here the time interval. Time interval means this 2 minus 1 1 hour, 1 minus 0 1 hour, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1. Means the difference between the time, there is a difference in the time is 1 hour, 1 hour here. In each case what the distance traveled is different in same interval of time. So this type of motion is called as non-uniform motion. So this is about uniform and non-uniform motion.